What's up guys? Teacher Boy Y here. Now we're doing a mukbang. I don't know, maybe like tomorrow should I do an awesome video like a gaming? So yeah, first we gotta do the mukbangs. Chicken nuggets with chips. I didn't buy those in Burger King or Harris, no, but I make them. Even though my nanas. I don't know, yeah. So yeah, I have chicken nuggets, chicken leg piece. So yeah, let's start. Let's start with the chips first. It's very good. I'm not lying. It looks like I'm eating a chicken leg piece or like a burger. Yeah. Shout out to Kicking Vlogs. He commented me and say you're cool. Yeah. So subscribe to Kicking Vlogs. No, I'm not so too lovely Optimus, so it's the same. You don't support because maybe it's different channels, yeah. I think some guys will comment here. Yusuf, this is an awesome one, not a mukbang. But I'm gonna try to run gaming. Awesome, so yeah. Very tasty, I'm not even lying. I cannot tell you my number, so you guys can comment. I'm gonna tell you guys in the future. So yeah, if I get a gaming setup, no way. If you guys subscribe after 10K or 5K or 1K subscribers, I'm gonna tell you my phone number. My dad's phone number. Very tasty. Maybe someone goes, yeah, hi Yusuf. For maybe how do you make a video? First, if you sign in YouTube, okay, buy the app YouTube. Maybe you did, because Safari you cannot do in Safari because it doesn't work. Yeah. Yeah. Then this only work for iOS and Android. So yeah. So it's like you go to camera. I'm using now, so yeah. Go to camera and Android or iOS. So yeah. Then you record of any videos. Then you go to YouTube and there's like a record. It's like a camera, yeah. And they say you can go live or make a video, but don't make a video because you did. I said that you could see your videos. Then you press and you write the title and make song or cut the sense, yeah. Very tasty. So in this video, next video, yeah, you get 5K or 1K, 10K subscribers. I'm gonna tell you my phone number. So yeah, it's a secret. It's very easy. So yeah. But some of you guys know he's like a gamer, but it's gonna be a dad. But me, I'm gonna be like him. Okay. So if you like Baran, the more likes, the more money I have, and to get some gaming stuff. But I cannot get a PC. I could use a laptop. So it's okay. I'm like a tough gaming laptop, and this one with a HyperX. It's very cheap. It's like $50. So I don't know. But yeah. I think that's gonna have my sister. So yeah, I don't know her. So yeah, this video gets 20.
Hết nó, more.
Okay. So this video gets 20K likes or more than, I don't know, 30K likes. Then I'm gonna buy a gaming set because I bought it on Amazon, and there was like 53 stuffs. So I didn't get a PC. I got like how many monsters I get? More than 3. Do not be quick attention. I might change my name, my YouTube name, even my picture. What the freak? What the heck is it? What the fudge? I'm gonna eat that. Ugh. Oh, I'm never eat that. Yeah, so we go to him. Yusuf, can you say bad words? I cannot say bad word because my dad and also have to pay money on YouTube. Yeah. You can do like such like beep. Yeah. So yeah, I'm giving me easy. I might be my friend tomorrow. So yeah, you can. So I don't know if we can bring GT, but I'm gonna try maybe. But I forgot to tell him. No, I think he's gonna know. So please God, Allah Akbar. Please I want him to bring GTA because I never play I play Gangster game, Gangster Vegas and Gangster New Orleans. Those are like best free games. Yeah. But so maybe you guys say, Yusuf, can you make a video how to get GTA San Andreas for free? I think I have a part. So you know your dad, yeah, or your mom, if they have like money but they don't let you, so yeah, they might tell you an email. So I don't know. So you don't tell me, yeah. And then you go to you know that fingerprint. It only works for iOS. So Android people, sorry, I can't do for you. So yeah, yeah. So you go to them and do like a touch ID with that, and you put and when it says iTunes App Store, you click it and tell your mom, hey mom, sign this for me. Then or mom and dad, sign this for me, and then you sign. Then you go to App Store or GTA San Andreas. Then you press and you press like enter. So yeah, you press and it says like okay, so you do and bling. So yeah, it's easy method. You don't need to like go to YouTube and say how to make, but don't trust them. They might do something wrong. So yeah. I think I want to end this video so bad, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, shout out to Kickin' Vlogs. So if you say you love me, I'm gonna put hearts for you by Teachable One. So coming soon, my name in the gaming could be like Vanos Kenshin. So Kunin Kenshin and Vanos Gaming. You might know this YouTuber, so they're like there's like a gamer. But Kunin Kenshin is gonna be a dad. Everyone was so sad because I was very upset. And I comment in the video called I keep all of your secret, not me, him, yeah. Then he said, I'm gonna be a dad. And I'm like, ooh. Then I comment also, don't worry guys, I'm gonna buy a gaming setup like those. There's a bad word in there, so it's like an S word, yeah? S-H-I-Q. Yeah? Yeah, and after that I say, wait, and you press read more, it says, coming soon. So it's like very long soon. So, if you guys did it, so if you guys come on, I need more likes. Come on, do that. I'm gonna do more videos, maybe like a vlog. And I never did a vlog. I'm really trying to. Can I finish this chicken nuggets? I'm gonna get the top of it. Yeah. Yummy. Yeah. Use a lot more. First bite. The heck? Woo! Look at the chicken nuggets. Oh, dang. If I finish chicken nuggets, I will end it. I'm gonna end it with this one. No. Yeah, I don't finish it. You can still see I'm coming like you see. So yeah, I'm gonna buy gaming setup first. Subscribe and like button, and ring the bell. So someone gonna say, hey, what is what I do for the bell? The bell. So I'll make so okay. Just imagine if you sleep, and make a new video, and there's like a notification in your iPad or iPhone or iPod. Yeah. I don't know, I'm trying to get an iPhone 11 Pro Max, but I'm trying to get an Amazon. I can't because I cannot use like AT&T or T-Mobile version or others, so I could use Oreo only. So yeah, I have to. Yeah. Guess my country is. So yeah, guess my country is. So you have to guess. If you're right, I'm gonna tell you the number. Okay? Guys, like button, subscribe, bell, and share the video. So bye guys.